Did you know there's one eating pattern that has consistently been ranked among the healthiest in the world? It's called the Mediterranean diet. Study after study has linked it with better heart health, healthier blood sugar, improved brain function, and even a longer life. But here's the problem. Most people who try the Mediterranean diet quit within a couple of weeks. Not because the food isn't delicious. They quit because nobody tells them exactly what to eat. They hear things like, eat more vegetables, use olive oil, have some fish. That's not a complete food guide. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a complete Mediterranean diet food list with more than 220 foods organized into 3 simple categories: foods to eat often, foods to enjoy in moderation, and foods to limit. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you'd like this complete food list as a beautifully designed printable for your kitchen or grocery shopping, you'll find the link in the description below. It includes every food we'll cover today, plus a grocery checklist and meal planning pages. Now, let's dive into one of the healthiest eating patterns in the world. The Mediterranean diet isn't about counting calories. It's about filling your plate with real, minimally processed foods. Let's start with extra virgin olive oil. This is the heart of the Mediterranean diet. Use it for salads, roasted vegetables, whole grains, and many cooked dishes. It's rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and beneficial plant compounds called polyphenols. Next are vegetables. Try to fill at least half your plate with vegetables every day. Excellent choices include spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, zucchini, eggplant, onions, garlic, artichokes, asparagus, lettuce, cabbage, mushrooms, green beans, and leafy greens. The more colorful your vegetables, the wider variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants you'll get. Now, let's talk about fruit. Enjoy whole fruit every day. Great choices include blueberries, strawberries, apples, pears, oranges, grapes, pomegranates, figs, peaches, kiwi, plums, cherries, apricots, and melons. Fresh fruit makes an excellent dessert instead of sugary treats. Legumes are another cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. These include chickpeas, lentils, black beans, cannellini beans, kidney beans, split peas, navy beans, and fava beans. They're packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they're eaten regularly in many Mediterranean countries. Fish and seafood are also important. Aim to enjoy fish several times each week. Excellent options include salmon, sardines, mackerel, herring, anchovies, trout, tuna, cod, shrimp, mussels, clams, and other seafood. Sardines deserve a special mention because they're affordable, rich in omega-3 fats, vitamin D, and calcium. Choose whole grains instead of refined grains whenever possible. Healthy choices include brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread, whole wheat pasta, barley, farro, buckwheat, bulgur, rye, and whole grain couscous. Nuts and seeds are another daily staple. Enjoy a small handful of walnuts, almonds, pistachios, hazelnuts, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, or sesame seeds. These foods provide healthy fats, fiber, protein, and important minerals. Now let's look at foods to enjoy in moderation. These foods absolutely fit into the Mediterranean diet, but they're usually eaten in moderate portions. Chicken, turkey, and other poultry are excellent protein sources and can be enjoyed several times each week. Eggs are also nutritious and can easily be included as part of a balanced Mediterranean eating pattern. Traditional Mediterranean diets also include modest amounts of dairy. The best choices are plain Greek yogurt, feta cheese, Parmesan, pecorino, ricotta, and other minimally processed cheeses. Instead of eating large amounts of cheese, they're often used to add flavor to meals. Lean red meat, such as beef and lamb, can still fit into this eating pattern. The key difference is frequency and portion size. Instead of eating red meat every day, it's typically enjoyed occasionally. White bread, white rice, and regular pasta aren't completely forbidden. However, whole grain versions are encouraged much more often because they contain more fiber and nutrients. Some Mediterranean cultures also enjoy small amounts of wine with meals. However, if you don't drink alcohol, there is absolutely no health reason to start. You can enjoy similar beneficial plant compounds from grapes, berries, cherries, and pomegranates. Now let's look at foods that are best limited. The Mediterranean diet minimizes ultra-processed foods. That means packaged snack foods, fast food, sugary breakfast cereals, candy, cookies, pastries, packaged desserts, sugary drinks, and highly processed frozen meals. These foods are typically high in added sugar, unhealthy fats, sodium, and refined ingredients while providing very little nutritional value. Processed meats are also best limited. Examples include hot dogs, bacon, pepperoni, salami, sausages, and other heavily processed meats. The Mediterranean diet focuses on fresh, minimally processed ingredients whenever possible. Now here's something that many food guides never mention. The Mediterranean diet isn't only about food, it's also about lifestyle. People traditionally eat slowly. They enjoy meals with family and friends. They savor every bite instead of rushing through meals or eating in front of a screen. Regular physical activity is also an important part of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Simple activities like walking every day can make a meaningful difference. And here's one more important point. The Mediterranean diet isn't a crash diet. It's not designed for rapid weight loss. Instead, it's a sustainable way of eating that supports long-term heart health, brain health, metabolic health, and overall well-being. That's one of the reasons it's consistently recommended by nutrition experts around the world. So that's your complete Mediterranean diet food list. More than 220 foods organized into foods to eat often, foods to enjoy in moderation, and foods to limit. If you'd like this entire guide as a printable PDF, including grocery lists, meal planning pages, and beautifully organized food categories, you'll find it in the description below. It's available as an instant download in both A4 and US letter sizes. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to ETHEREALDIGISTUDIO for more easy-to-understand nutrition guides, printable food lists, healthy eating tips, and wellness resources. Every week, we cover topics like IBS, low FODMAP, diabetes, anti-inflammatory diets, PCOS, gut health, heart health, and many more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.